The period of accelerated change that we are living through at the moment requires higher levels of learning agility than ever seen before. Peter Drucker once said that the only skill that will be needed in the 21st century is the ability to learn new skills. My name is Celine Mullins. I'm the founder of Adaptas Training, and for the last 10 or 11 years we have been working with organisations in Ireland and internationally, working with people to help them develop their skills and their learning. And in this time, working one-to-one with people, working with groups, working with teams, I've noticed how a lot of the information from the research that's been done in neuroscience and in neuropsychology is not being pulled together completely to help people understand how to learn, how to take the learning that they are taking on from workshops and programs that are attending, and then really how to embed that learning, so which leads to long-term behavioural change. We've now pulled this information together into a series of books called Maximising Brain Potential. This series of books is published by Oak Tree Press. It's available on successstore.com, Amazon, and also at our website, adaptastraining.com. And we decided to also, in line with that, pull this information together into a video series. This is a free video series available to you to watch, join us, see what you think. And we're creating videos that are short, that will give you something tangible to think about, and pulling the information, the most up-to-date information from neuroscience and psychology together in a way that's really easy to understand and go away and apply. And so, it'd be great if you join us over the next couple of months as we roll this out. And, hopefully at the end of every video, you'll have something to think about, go away and apply, and then come back, join us, and see what you can do next with it. As I say, check out the Maximising Brain Potential series and join us for these video series so you can think about how you're actually applying your own learning in your own day-to-day, and see if you can increase your levels of learning agility.